Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to change your password on the AXS app. So in order to make changes with your personal information or maybe your password, then you could try following these steps. Now, due to some security concern, the app or the Access app is very restrictive. So in some cases you might not be able to change your password in a basic simple steps. Try logging into your account, and then you could go to your account management page, and if you're able to find the option as change password, then you could go ahead and press on it. Enter in your current password and you can type in the new one, and that's how you can change your password. However, if you're unable to find the following option, then you could go to the login or sign up field and then press the login button once again, and under it go ahead and press the forgot your password button and enter in your email address associated with your Access or AXS app and click on reset my password. Now a reset link is going to be sent to an email which you have to press on it, and accordingly you'll be able to change your password on the AXS app. So that's how you can change your password on the AXS app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.